Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable a captive portal login page on your access point. So first off, I will open the DNSMask config file using nano and the name of the file. And here on the last line I have added the IP address for the login page. Basically this will redirect any request from the web browser to this IP address when clients connects to the access point. So I'll close this and open the host apd config file using nano and put hostapd.conf. And here I will only change the wireless network name to free Wi-Fi and save the file. Okay, now I will start DNSMask using dnsmask-c and put the location for the configuration file. And then start hostapd by typing hostapd and put the configuration file. And I will also add -b to run the command in the background. This is useful if you don't want to open a new terminal. And now I need to add the IP address for the WLAN 0 interface by typing ifconfig WLAN 0 and put 192.168.1.1/24. and press enter. Now the next thing is to set up the login page for the access point, and in my case I have saved the files in the home directory. So to find the files I will click on the file manager, and here I have a folder called basic portal. So I will open the folder, and here are the files for the login page. Now let's see how the page looks like by clicking the index.html file. And here you can see a basic HTML login page which will be used to appear when clients try to connect to the access point. Okay, now let's close this, and the next step is to copy the files to the web server directory by going to other location, computer, var www.html. and paste the files here. Okay, now the last thing you need to do is to modify the configuration file for the Apache web server and add the rewrite rules. So I already saved the rules in a file here in the home directory, and if I use ls you can see the Apache rewrite file, which I will open using nano and the name of the file. Now here I'm not going to cover too deep about these rules. Basically, these rules will make the redirection for a captive portal to work properly. So you need to copy this and type nano/etc/apache2 sites enabled 00default.conf, and under virtual host paste the code, and don't forget to save the file. Once done with that, start the web server using service apache2 start. Okay, now let's switch to the Windows machine and test the free Wi-Fi network. So I will click connect. And you can see I have been automatically redirected to the login page. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.